Hey there YouTube. Today I'm doing a unboxing and installation video on the 2025 version of Intuit TurboTax Home and Business, which I purchased from Costco for $75.99. This is the packaging that you get in the warehouse. You can also just get this via the Costco app via email, and then you don't have to deal with the packaging, but I like having the package. Pick a card, any card. But yeah, the great thing about Costco is that they give you this $10 credit for in-product add-ons, which I always use for my state taxes. Which brings the cost of state taxes down to $15 even. They dropped the CD version last year. You can only download it now. Downloading is quick and easy. You get it right from their website. Standard leaflet that comes every year. Nothing I see really changed other than the fact that it says requires Windows 11 or Mac Sonoma 14 or later. So even though Windows 10 64-bit is supported by extended security updates, they are requiring Windows 11. And I actually did try to run the installer on Windows 10, it won't let you. Here's the feature matrix on the back. Once again, Windows 11 only, 64-bit. Requires 1 gig of hard drive space, 4 gigs of RAM, 1024 by 768. A printer? I guess if you're printing your taxes, you would need a printer. That's weird that's on the requirements. Also note that it is a limit of 1 account per license code, so once you redeem the license code in here, it is tied to that Intuit account. Alright, let's pull out the code. Here's the insert inside the box. If you are thinking about buying their audit defense, just know that they go through a company called taxaudit.com, and it's actually cheaper on taxaudit.com, and you get better coverage. So just a little tip there. So here's how it works. You install TurboTax with your license code, sign into your Intuit account. You can purchase one of the features within there, and the $10 credit will be applied automatically. It has done it every year. Make sure that you don't pay for your filing fees with your tax return because they charge you like a bunch of fees. Use a credit card for that. Here's the fine print on that. For more information on this, go to turbotax.com/club-credit. And everything's pretty standard, nothing crazy. The 60-day money-back guarantee. I have a feeling a lot of people are going to be using that this year because Windows 10 isn't supported. So yeah, and here's the back. You just go to that website and install it. Alright, just open up your web browser, go to installturbotax.com, find TurboTax Home and Business, click on that, select your OS, let it download. I'm trying not to cut too much from this video, but not much is happening here. Just accept the UAC prompt. Installer proceeds. You need Visual C++ runtime. The installer takes care of that for you. Do a quick run through here, and then I always save my license terms just in case it changes. It's good to see the terms over time. And click next. There's your install path. I turn off telemetry. Click install. I sped this up a little bit just because, yeah, who wants to watch a progress bar? It is kind of a broken progress bar since it keeps unloading for no reason, but eventually it finishes and it clears. There we go. Go ahead and click Launch TurboTax, and it'll launch the activation wizard. We know it's taking a little more than a moment. So I already have an Intuit account set up from previous years, but if you do sign up for this for the first time, make sure that you double check your email address because you never get a confirmation email. So if you type your email wrong, you're going to activate this on an email that you don't own. So double check your email address. You do not need to give them the phone number so far. I don't want them to have my phone number because I don't want them to use SMS-based two-factor authentication ever. All right, and then go ahead and enter your license code here. So this offer here to switch to the online version, they haven't done this in previous years, but do note that you will lose your $10 retail club credit if you do this from Costco. I don't know why you'd switch to online after going through all the trouble of installing this. I don't know. I'd rather have it on my desktop, so I'm going to continue to the desktop version. They really want you to upgrade to their online version. Yes, I am sure I do not want to upgrade to the online version. Very sure. I'm going to go ahead and decline once again and continue to the desktop version that I paid for at the store. Okay, we add the license to my account. Good. They're stacking up there. Click on Get Started. Again, they're like, why would you turn down that offer we gave you? It was so generous. Come on, Intuit. I really don't want to be an ag like this. If I was going to use a web version, I would use Free Tax USA and save like $60 or whatever. Just let me use my desktop software that I paid for, please. Intuit. Anyway, enjoy your taxes. Thanks for watching.